the power. The specs say 84 HP, but that number is irrelevant. The number that matters is 194 foot-pounds of torque. For context, that is nearly double the torque of many liter-class sport bikes. The acceleration from 0 to 30 miles per hour is genuinely shocking. In sport mode, the throttle response is razor-sharp. In eco or rain, it dulls down significantly, making it manageable for newer riders. Range and charging, the elephant in the room. Here is the honest truth about the battery. City riding. I easily got 100 to 110 miles of aggressive stop-and-go riding. It thrives here. Highway riding, this is the bike's kryptonite. On a sustained 70-mile-an-hour run, the battery percentage drops terrifyingly fast. I struggled to get 45 miles of real highway range before hitting panic mode. Charging is a mixed bag. It supports Level 1, standard wall outlet, and Level 2, J1772 public chargers. Level 1, overnight charge, slow. Level 2, 20 to 80% in about 75 minutes. DC fast charging, none. This is a major omission. You cannot take this bike on a road trip because you can't top up in 20 minutes. You are tethered to the city.